To draw in billiards, you will need to use a technique called English, which refers to the spin placed on the cue ball when it is struck. To draw the ball, you will need to hit the ball slightly below its center, causing it to spin backwards, or backspin, as it travels. This will cause the ball to slow down and eventually stop, or draw back, after it hits the object ball. Here are the steps to follow. Set up the shot by placing the cue ball in position and aligning your cue stick with the desired path of the object ball. Grip the cue stick with a medium to firm grip, using your dominant hand to hold the stick and your non-dominant hand to support it. Aim for a spot about ½ inch, 1 centimeter, below the center of the cue ball. This is the spot where you will apply the most backspin. Stroke the cue stick smoothly and evenly, using a level follow-through to maintain control. As the cue ball makes contact with the object ball, apply a downward pressure on the cue stick to impart the backspin. This will cause the object ball to slow down and eventually stop, or draw back, after it hits the object ball. Practice this technique until you can consistently draw the ball to the desired location. It may take some time to master, but with practice you should be able to control the speed and spin of the cue ball with precision. The last thing, always chalk before you shoot.